love it.
First toy.
Oh, say hi. Whoa. See? Go around over here. And then we go that way. Yes. What you're riding? Train. You saw them? Again. What? Labubu? The town. What? This is the playground? Where? It's the playground you're talking about? This is, I don't know, it's for jumping. See what I mean?
Wow!
You'll see that, right? The riding train. Honey.
That doesn't look fun. That's animated. Wow, that is it.
What's that?
A toy.
A toy? You sure? Let's see. Oh, where do we gotta go? Are you sure?
This is when we came inside the store.
Oh, yeah. See the train.
Oh.
Hi, driver. Eat candy?
Yeah.
You ride a train?
Daddy, look. Daddy, look. Daddy.
Hi, hi.
Look.
Okay.
Daddy, look.
This is Santa. We're happy.
Damn.
Uh-oh. What is that? Cotton candy. I just bought it.
I think that's no, it's not close. I see something. Why is there a buff there?
Uh-huh.
Can we have boba?
Hmm?
Can we have boba?
Where's the boba?
Well done. It says hello boba.
Hello, Bomba?
That's the store name.
Really?
In here. Baby. Can we keep playing toy powder?
Pickle?